Today's topic for discussion is a description of a specific plant which is known as Bougainvillea spectabilis. The Bougainvillea spectabilis, it is the member of family Nyctaginaceae. Its common name is paper flower. Commonly it is called as paper flower. It is a thorny ornamental shrub or climber. About 18 species of Bougainvillea occur in the world. Plant is tall, scramble over other plants. That means it climb over other plants with their spiky thorns. It is commonly called as paper flower, just I told you, because of the bracts are thin and papery. This is the reason. Okay. And this, the Bougainvillea spectabilis, how is the habit? It is a popular ornamental plant. It is small, thorny, evergreen shrub and root is highly branched. It is a taproot system. If the taproot system is there, it is a dicot plant. Okay. Stem is branched, woody, semi-upright or spreading. The stem is showing nodes and internodes. Bark is light, thin. Next slide. How is the leaf? Leaf of Bougainvillea. It is a simple leaf because it is having only petiole and lamina. Petiole is stalk of the leaf, lamina is the spreaded green part of the leaf. And such leaf which is having only lamina and petiole, that is described as simple leaf. Shape of the leaf is lanceolate, lance-shaped. Okay. Color is green and the leaf is having stalk, that is petiole. Such leaf is described as petiolate leaf. And venation is reticulate. Again it is a characteristic feature of dicot plant. Reticulate venation is there. And how is the phyllotaxy? Arrangement of the leaves on the stem and branches of the plant. That is alternate arrangement of the leaves is there. Therefore phyllotaxy is described as alternate. Margin of leaf is entire because it is in continuation. It is soft. It is continuation. Margin is in continuation. Therefore it is entire. Base of the leaf, it is attenuate base. When the leaf is having concave or tapering base, that is described as attenuate in taxonomic language. Okay. And the leaf apex is acuminate. Acuminate leaf, that means it possesses a long pointed tapering apex. Okay. That is acuminate apex of the leaf is present in the Bougainvillea family Nyctaginaceae. Okay. Stipule. Stipule is present in the plant. Stipule, it is present at the base of the leaf. The stipule is modified. Actually the stipule is a small leafy structure, but in this case in Bougainvillea the stipule is modified to thorns. The thorn is slightly bent and pointed structure which helps the plant to climb over other large trees or other plant. Okay. And the stipules are modified to thorn. If the stipule is present in the plant, that plant is described as, if the stipule is present, then that leaf is described as stipulate leaf. Okay. Stipule is modified, but it is a stipulate leaf. Next. Inflorescence. Inflorescence, flowering shoot of the plant. How is the inflorescence? It is axillary ultimate branches of cymose. Cymose type of inflorescence occurs. Inflorescence consists of large colorful bracts which are surrounded to 3 flowers and 1 bract per flower is there. And what is bract? The bract is a modified. The bract is a modified bract because generally bracts are very small in size, but in this case the bracts are very large, colorful, like a petal. Most of the students initially they thought that the colored part is the part of main flower, but that is a bract. That is not corolla. That is a bract. Bract is modified again. It is a very large, looks like petal and variously colored. Okay. And it is papery, and because of papery colorful bracts of bougainvillea, the flower is also described as paper flower. Okay. Next, this is the main flower of the bougainvillea. Flower is small, occurs in cluster of three flowers together in occurs in an inflorescence. Each cluster consists of 3 flowers, and the common name is, just I told you, that is paper flower. Flowers are perfect and the shape of the flower is trumpet shaped. This is a tubular corolla and waxy. 3 flowers on small stalks are present, that means small petiole is also there. Nectary has a long thin neck. 2 of these flowers open at same time and third one open slightly later. This is the characteristic feature of bougainvillea plant. Next, this is the cluster of 3 flowers and these large pink colored in photograph. These are the bracts and the flowers are situated on the bracts. 3 flowers are there in the inflorescence. Next, this is a large bract, and the bract, there are 3 bracts in one inflorescence. Bracts are thin, they are papery bracts, and they are modified to petal-like structure to attract the insects. The bright colored petals attract pollinators or insects, insects which help in pollination. Bracts are broadly ovate. Apex is obtuse. Obtuse means that is not narrow, and base is chordate. Okay, and it has a petiole, pedicel is there. Flower has very short pedicel is there. Pedicellate flower. Pedicel means stalk of the flower. If the pedicel is present, the flower is described as pedicellate, and color of the bract is pink and actual color of flower is yellowish. Okay, next, this is the perianth. Why we call it as perianth? Because when the corolla and calyx in the flower are not distinct, it is difficult to separate which is calyx and which is corolla. In such cases, in the flower, the flower is described as the oral of calyx or corolla together, that is described as perianth. Okay, perianth, it is the tubular form of corolla. In perianth consists of tubular form of corolla. Flower tube-like. Shape of floral tube is cylinder with little construction in middle, swollen at the base. This type of flower is there. And symmetry of the flower, it is actinomorphic. That means it can divide into 2 equal parts in any vertical plane. Okay, the flower is bisexual because gynoecium and androecium both are present in the flower. Number of tepals, how many tepals are there? There are 5 tepals. Corolla, form of corolla is tubular tube-like corolla. Tubular form of corolla. Tubular corolla, always it is gamopetalous. Petals, when they unite to form a tube-like structure. A corolla is here tubular, because the tepals which are present in the flower, they are united to form a tube-like structure, and color of corolla is pinkish or yellowish, and the tepals are fused. Therefore, these are that are described as gamotepalous condition. Estivation is volvate. Next slide. This is the androecium of bougainvillea family Nyctagenaceae, and the androecium is male part of the flower, and it consists of stamens, and there are in bougainvillea 8 stamens are there. Stamens are connate, nectar glands situated at the base of staminal tube, and the filaments are very long, and the stamens are arranged in a single oral of stamen is 1, and all the stamens, they are free, they are not united. Hence, in taxonomic language, that are described as polyandrous condition, and the anther are attached. The anther is attached to the filament by its basal region. Therefore, anther is basifixed, and anthers are diathecous, means two-celled, and extrodes. What is extrode? The face of the anther is toward the peripheral region of the flower. And anther opens by longitudinal slit at after maturity of the pollen grains inside the anther lobe. It split open by longitudinal slit. Hence, the dehiscence is longitudinal. Next, this is a single stamen and showing long filament, and the anther is there, basifixed anther is there. Okay, next. This is the gynoecium of Bougainvillea family Nyctaginaceae. Gynoecium, it is female part of the flower which consists of ovary, style and stigma. Ovary is superior because the floral parts are originated from the base of the ovary. Style is long, stigma is capitate, carpel is one, monocarpellary ovary. Placentation is basal. Next. It is which type of fruit occurs in Bougainvillea plant? Fruit is narrow, 5-lobed acne. What is acne type of fruit? Acne type of fruit, it is a dry, indehiscent, simple fruit with thin pericarp. Mostly it is one-seeded fruit. It is developed from one-chambered monocarpellary superior ovary. Here the pericarp and testa are free from each other. This such type of fruit is described as acne, and in case of Bougainvillea, 5-lobed acne type of fruit occurs. Okay, next. Thank you very much. Save trees, save earth.